In this video, we are going to be looking at the infinitive verbs in Spanish. These verbs are divided into three based on their endings. We have those that ends with AR, those that ends with ER, and those that ends with IR. So we are going to take one example from those that ends with AR. So we are going to be discussing hablar. Don't forget, the H is silent. We don't say hablar, we say hablar. The word hablar in Spanish means to speak. So the ending or the suffix you will add will determine who want to speak. Is it me? Is it you? Or a particular group of people? This diagram on the screen represents the infinitive verb at the center, and the arrows points to the suffix that will help us to determine who is going to speak. From the infinitive verb, you will remove the AR that makes it infinitive. Then you will add any of our suffix to determine who wants to speak. The suffix can be O, as, a, amos, ice, or an. If you remove the AR from the hablar, you'll be left with habl. Now the mathematics begins. We are going to start with the O suffix. So if you bring your habl plus O, it's going to give you hablo. And hablo in Spanish means I speak. So if you are referring to yourself from the word hablar, that's the infinitive verb, you remove the AR, then you add the O to make it hablo. Examples: hablo español, I speak Spanish. No hablo inglés muy bien, I don't speak English very well. The next suffix is AS, so we will remove the AR and add the AS to give us hablas. So we apply this when using you. Example: tú hablas rápido, which means you speak fast. So the next suffix is a, which will give us habla. We use it when we want to say he or she. Example: él habla inglés, he speaks English. Ella habla inglés, she speaks English. And don't forget, we use él for masculine and ella for feminine. So the next suffix is amos. We apply the same formula. You remove your AR, then add amos to give us hablamos. So we use hablamos whenever we are referring to we. Example: nosotros hablamos mucho, which means we speak a lot. The next suffix is eyes, which will give us hablais. So we use it whenever we are referring to all of them. Examples: vosotros habláis bien, which means you all speak well. The next suffix is an. So applying the same formula will give us hablan. So we use it with de. Example: ellos hablan 3 idiomas, or ustedes hablan 3 idiomas, which means they speak 3 languages. Gracias por mirar. Thank you for watching.